One of the chief requests from our users was a need for collaboration. It was clear that creating a user workshop was going to be beneficial for everyone.
What I'm hoping to walk away with after this user group's over is a little bit better understanding of where we're at now as far as our available options with VR, as well as what some of the best practices are for getting a program set up.
XR is definitely more engaging. This checks all the boxes. It has your audio, it has your visual learners, everything is all in one package. I think these two things combined are going to make everything 100 times better.
The face-to-face is definitely more beneficial. Making those connections is always super important. Actually having a person that you can kind of bounce ideas off of.
Like doing the recording like
We're stronger when we're together, and so collaboration is going to help bring those best practices to the forefront. It enables us to be stronger in the end.